Hello guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, open File Explorer. Now click on these three dots on the top of the side and then click on Options. Once we are here, we need to go to View tab, then select this option, Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Again, just scroll down and we need to uncheck this option, hide protected operating system files. So uncheck it, click on apply and then OK. Once we're here, we need to just go to this PC, open C drive, then you will get this folder with a $sign recycle.bin. Just open it, copy this path, select it and copy this path. After that, we need to go to search bar, type your task manager, then click on run new task. Now click on browse button, go to this PC, open C drive, then just scroll down and open Windows folder. Now we need to open system32 folder. In the system32 folder, we need to find out cmd.exe file. Here it is. Select this file and click on open. Now check this box, create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, close all the background windows and we need to focus on this window. So type here rd space /s space /q space and then paste that path here and hit enter. Once done, type exit and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.